Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to walk you through a used boat that we just got in. This is a 2021 Tige 25ZX. This is a nice big 25-foot surf and wake boat. And you can see, obviously it has the white and then a nice accent of the blue metal flake. It does come with this trailer. This is a triple axle trailer specifically for this boat. It's a boat mate trailer. So we come to the back. You can see it has a nice swim platform, swim deck with the sea deck stuff that's up on top. It does have the TAPS 3 for surfing and then wakeboarding as well, and then the surf pipe. So let's go take a look at all the features on the inside of this boat. All right, welcome to the interior of the boat. As you can see, we've got nice sun pad up on the top here. This is a removable cushion, so if you want it there, you can sit on it. If you don't, you can pull it out, and you can see you got a nice sea deck that walks all the way through into the boat. This does come with the Raptor 6.2 liter, 440 horsepower engine. You've got storage all over this boat. This is a 19-person boat, so obviously you can see the nice wraparound seating. You've got a backrest that'll pop up here, a backrest that'll pop up here as well, so you can sit and watch all the surfing and wakeboarding. You can see the nice tower up here. This is a power tower, so it can move up and down if you'd like. It does have the nice bimini. You got board racks, and then two pair of the wet sounds as far as your music goes. So cup holders all over the place. You can see the lights are on. Plenty of fun stuff. This thing is pretty loaded. So come on down. I'll show you the helm seat here. So we've got the nice steering wheel that moves around, and then your standard stuff here where you can just touch these buttons as needed. You got the nice touch screen on the side here. You can control everything from all your switches to your ballast to your cruise control, and your radio is on here as well. And it does have the nice camera in the back. So everything is right there at your fingertips. I'm gonna kind of walk to the front here. Again, 25-foot surf boat, so you've got tons of space up here in the bow. This is a filler cushion that can be taken out if you don't need it there, but cup holders, 12-volt USBs, again, lights, music, beautiful surf boat. 2021, this has really low hours on it, so it is here at MarineMax of Rogers. Got it all cleaned up, it's ready to go. Give us a call if you want to come by and take a look, and we hope to see you out here soon.